you see an R on Mommy's shirt? There is an R on Mommy's shirt. I love you. Can Mommy have a gift? Ooh, that was a good one. Mama's all hyper because I got to have my coffee before you woke up, which is sort of nice. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. I'm still in my pajamas and robe. I'm gonna cook Sydney some spinach scrambled eggs. And what else? Sydney's watching some TV right now. Apparently she's having a lazy day. Usually she doesn't like care. I mean, she'll sit there for like a minute, but she's having a lazy day apparently. It's 9:38. Very late for us for breakfast, but I was able to have almost an entire warm coffee. I ended up getting myself up at 8:15 because I knew sometimes I could just tell, like on the monitor, I'm like, yeah, she's definitely gonna sleep in today. Like I could totally tell. And she did, so I was able to finish my video. I don't know what today's gonna bring us. I think it's gonna storm for the next few days, like kind of rainy, cold. But I really need to clean this house. So maybe today will be like a cleaning and organizing day. So. Blueberries. And then I'm making myself a bagel, and I'll probably give her like a tiny little piece of that. Is that good? Usually I wait till she eats more of her eggs, but that's okay. I'll just make her eat her eggs. Are you so happy? We have to put socks and pants on though because it's a little cold. Cold? Yeah. Can I see your dress? Can you do a spin? Do a spin. Oh, you're so sweet. You love your dress, huh? Why are you saying Nikki? I love you. It's 11:15 and I'm still in my bathrobe and comfy clothes. Sydney just pointed at my face, at my nose, and she said, dirty? I said, is my face dirty? Do I need to go wash it? And she said, oh, please. Wash? What did you just say about Mama's face? Wash. I have to wash my face? It's dirty? You're gonna sit on Mama? Guys, I think she just naturally, like, just wants to learn. I don't know any other kids who just want to play with letters all day and recite them. What? I mean, I know they do, but it's crazy. Living room to be more organized, so I'm putting more toys up here and trying to rotate them until I'm able to turn the spare room which it's not going to be anytime soon because it has so many big pieces of furniture in there. But until I'm able to put all of her toys in that spare room, they're going to be, some of them are going to be in here and then in her bedroom, and then some of them are going to be, most of them are going to be in my living room. So Mama wants to create some space downstairs. This is really a book bin, so I think what I'm going to do is all of these books that I just took out of that storage unit, I think I'm going to put, gosh, I'm going to put all of her books back in here and then figure out what to do with all the big, like all these toys. I think her closet is going to have to house the toys, and her closet is a royal mess. Actually, let's just be very transparent and show you her mess of a closet. I just have so many like baskets and bins. I guess I should utilize them. And I bought her some boots that don't fit quite yet. And then I actually have a couple of Christmas presents already. And the reason being is because I bought them thinking she would play with them now, but they're a little advanced for her. So I figured she would be okay using them in a couple of months. But yeah, let's tackle the closet because her room is just, it's crazy. Guys, remember when I told you that I was an extreme couponer? This is some of the remnants from my extreme couponing days, which I haven't done in years. So many razors, lotions, shampoos. What is in here? It's all like just body stuff that I got for free over the years. Hand sanitizer. Oh my word. I need to get this out. I need to get this out of Sydney's room. This is what my house looks like mid-clean. We're getting there and there. But this is what Sydney's room looks like currently. While cleaning, making more of a mess. It's crazy. But we're getting there. I haven't seen this much of my floor since Sydney was like 3 months old. I'm out of breath from running up and down the stairs, putting things away. And you were running, Sydney was just doing laps like on the floor from there to here because I don't think she's been able to sprint or run in our house ever. In an ideal world, I would have, like, you know, no toy bins and no loose toys out here. I would have them all in a toy room, but hey, it is progress and I am happy for now. It's so much easier to keep them organized with having less toys down here. Yay! Are you happy you have space to run? It just gets overwhelming. Like, we bring toys downstairs and I forget to put them away, bring them upstairs or trade them out. So I need to stick with it. Oh, I'm so happy she can run right now. This was in the closet in my spare room and it doesn't need to be. I need to just, I'm so happy I'm doing all this. I know it might seem trivial to put like one little thing away, but it just frees my mind. By the way, if any of you have young children, enough for a bumbo seat, I highly recommend this one. This one has the tray that detaches and you can bring it with you to the restaurant. You can bring it with you to family's house. We used this last Thanksgiving when Sydney was too little to sit in a chair, and then I didn't want to bring a high chair or anything. Like, my family's, you know, houses didn't have high chairs. Highly recommend that one. All right, tonight's her lucky night. Mac and cheese, peas, and beets. Lucky little girl. I don't even think I have. I do not. I only have a spoon, so that's what she'll just use her hands anyway. We all know that. Yum. And all of my suction cup plates and bowls are in the wash, so this could be very messy dinner. It is crazy windy out today. Like, windy, rainy, and a lot of places are getting snow with rain. It's cold out. Cold? Yeah. I personally like my beets pickled, so I'm putting mine with vinegar. She totally would eat it with vinegar, but I just didn't think vinegar would go well with mac and cheese, so she's gonna have hers plain. Do you like beets? Beets are so good for you. Are beets good? People always ask me, does your child throw things on the floor and does she make messes? So much. No. Remember, we do not throw food on the floor. No. Sydney. Yeah. Does she? You're not alone. We're all done then? Are you all done? Oh my God. She does it to have fun. And this is all the time. Mom? I want to just, I want to just lay on the couch right now and take a nap. No way is that gonna happen, right, Mommy? Oh. Get up here. Get up here. Oh, I have a full belly and so do you. She just Superman jumps on the couch, so I have to always be right here. That's why I'm always telling her no couch, because she just has no idea that the edge is like a ledge. Listen, you're not Superman. You can't fly. Ow. Can you say goodbye? Oh, say goodbye to the vlog and we'll see you tomorrow. Say bye. Bye. See you guys tomorrow.